In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Canva. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have a great looking pie chart ready to use for your projects. First things first, let's open up Canva and get started. Once Canva is open, you'll want to head over to the left-hand menu and locate the Elements tab. This section is a treasure trove for all sorts of design elements, but today we're interested in pie charts. Now that you're in the Elements section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type pie chart into the search bar. This will filter the results to show only pie chart visuals. You'll notice there are numerous templates available, so have a look and find one that suits your style and needs. All you need to do is click on your chosen template, drag it, and drop it onto your blank canvas. Once you've selected a template and placed it onto your canvas, you might want to make it your own by editing the data. Canva makes this incredibly easy. Simply click on the pie chart to edit each section manually. You'll notice an option to input the numbers that represent each segment. This is where you can enter your specific data to more accurately reflect the information you're trying to convey. If you need to edit the colors or labels, just double click on the specific sections and a customization menu will appear, allowing you to tweak these elements to your liking. Now, if you're working with a large data set or want to streamline the process, Canva provides a great feature to import data directly. To do this, find the import option, which allows you to upload data from an external spreadsheet. Just follow the prompts to navigate your computer files, select the relevant spreadsheet, and import the data into your pie chart. Canva will automatically adjust the chart to represent the imported data accurately. And there you have it, a customized pie chart made with Canva. Once you're satisfied with your chart's look and data representation, don't forget to save your design by clicking the download button at the top right corner. You can choose the file type that best suits your needs, whether it's PNG, JPEG or PDF. This ensures that your beautifully crafted pie chart is readily available for sharing or inserting into presentations or reports. Creating a pie chart in Canva is straightforward and intuitive, allowing even beginners to make professional quality charts in just a few minutes. So go ahead and give it a try. Experiment with different templates and datasets, and soon you'll be a pie charting pro. Thanks for watching and happy designing.